Okay folks, here's part 3 in the restoration process of this circa 1948 Zenith wringer washer made in Duluth, Minnesota by the Zenith Machine Co, which was partnered with the Marshall Wells hardware company. So this was sort of the in-house brand for Marshall Wells, Zenith. And if I read correctly in some historical documents, I think the company basically was bought out and dissolved in around 1953. I'll clarify that in the remarks if I find a different information. Anyway, so this project went by very quickly, actually. I had it done in about 6 days, maybe 4 or 5 hours a day. So we're looking at tops 30 hours, maybe between 20 and 30 hours. So the cabinet is now beautiful and enameled. I used Rust-Oleum appliance epoxy. That stuff does an amazing job. It goes on so smoothly. Looks like an original finish. Casters are original. They're all cleaned up. The metal part's wire brushed. And the interior is in pretty good shape, except for a few blemishes in the enamel that I had to repair, but all in all, for its age, in very good condition, as is the cast aluminum agitator. Original chrome drain boards on the wringer. The wringer rolls are also original. A few cracks in them that I filled in with a adhesive resin called E6000. It remains slightly flexible, so that's good considering the application. And not original to the actual product, I wire brushed the tension release bar here and then clear coated it. Actually wire brushed, buffed, and then clear coated. I think it looks really nice in contrast with the white housing. And then also I did the same with the on-off lever. Previous owner had replaced the hose. This is some sort of an automotive hose, but it works quite well. I actually don't mind the orange color. The original aluminum gooseneck is still here. I just added on an extension hose so it can go over the edge of the sink better. And the new 3-prong electric cord for the motor. There's the label. Hopefully you can see it there. Zenith Machine Company, Duluth, Minnesota. Let's see what else there is to show. Oh, underneath the wringer, there's the water diversion pan, which is now painted in a glossy gray color. And that's about it for the restoration. Here's a look at the underside. Hopefully we can see this okay. So there's the motor, of course, the power unit or transmission, the flywheel, and then over here is the pump, which I had to rebuild the inside. There were some pinhole corrosion holes, and other than that, it was in pretty good shape considering its age. I'm glad the holes were very small. I could use JB Weld steel stick, and I coated the whole inside of the pump housing with that, so it's now watertight. And that's it. So there's the whole underside. There's the drain from the tub to the pump, and then there's the hose for the drain outlet. So the next video I'll show you in the series will be of it in action with a load of wash. Thanks for your interest. Bye for now.